So as you've all heard, good sense has prevailed, and Jamaica's Elaine Thompson-Herah has been named the World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year. I don't see how it could have gone any other way though. And look, you can call the Maverick brilliant, but the sprint events in track and field are the premier events in the sport. This thing about race a race and medal a medal, that is simplicity of the highest order. For a woman to return to the Olympic stage and do what no other woman has ever done, defend the prestigious sprint double, to get within touching distance of the most untouchable records in the sport. With all due respect to the other contenders in those other events, 5,000 and 10,000 and 400 hurdles and triple jump and all these things. Not because Elaine is a Jamaican, but if the 100 and the 200 meter stand supreme, and Elaine Thompson-Herah stands supreme in these supreme events, then there can be no discussion or disgruntlement. I want to tell you, even the Maverick was looking for some kind of contention and controversy. And we couldn't find none. I can't find none. Yeah, when we look under the camera. Yeah, when we look under the